Buka, His Worship the Mayor of Mutare, Mr. B. Chafesuka, Town Clerk, Mutare, traditional leaders, Chief Mutasa, and Chief Simulia. We are really humbled and honored to have the traditional leaders with us today. It shows that this occasion really is not just a formal course, which is from all judicial institutions. I recognize also the Brigadier General Mbo, Commander 3 Brigade, Zimbabwe National Army, and Commissioner P. ZRP, Officer Commanding Manicaland, Commissioner Chinova, ZRP, Officer Commanding, Mr. Mube, the Provincial Intelligence Officer, President's Office, Mutare. I was told it was Bishop Haran of the Catholic Church. I suppose he is substituted for the President. I recognize also the regional and provincial magistrates, assessors of the High Court, the National Prosecuting Authority, members of the Law Society of Zimbabwe, members of the Legal Aid Directorate, Message of Court, heads of government departments, civic organizations, members of academia here present, and members of the press. The mainstream media, the so-called Fourth Estate, also recognize their emerging faction, the so-called Fifth Estate. These are the independent bloggers, journalists, and social media practitioners of every description, influencers, and so on. We see you as well. But would appeal to you, the so-called Fifth Estate, to go easy on the misinformation and disinformation, to go easy on the character assassinations, on the polarizations. There is space for the Fifth Estate. It can play a positive role if it focuses on the positive activities of acting as citizen journalists. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and the entire Zimbabwe judiciary, I'm delighted to welcome each and every one of you to the 2025 legal year opening ceremony here at the Mutare High Court. very beautiful building. It's going to used to be a theater. This ceremony marks an important milestone to have you join us as we embark on a new year of upholding justice and promoting the rule of law in Zimbabwe. This event aims to foster transparency and accountability by providing a platform for the judiciary to share its accomplishments, challenges, and future plans with the public. Thus today, we share our key accomplishments and challenges from the previous year, as well as outline our strategic plans and objectives for the upcoming year. Through this event, the judiciary engages with the public, demonstrating its commitment to openness and accountability, and fosters a deep understanding of its role in upholding the Constitution. Ultimately, this event serves as a nexus between the judiciary and the public, mutual understanding and trust. This occasion offers the courts also a chance to listen to public concerns about the justice system and to outline solutions to improve the administration of justice. Today's ceremony serves as a powerful reminder of the vital connection between the judiciary and all stakeholders in the justice delivery sector. By reaffirming this harmony, we acknowledge the importance of collaboration and mutual understanding in upholding the principles of justice. A collaborative approach between the judiciary and stakeholders is essential for the courts to fulfill their constitutional obligations. In 2025, this collaborative spirit will be more crucial than ever as the Judicial Services Commission focuses on strengthening positive relations among the sector. This renewed emphasis on cooperation will facilitate a more harmonious and effective justice system, ultimately benefiting the public and building the principles of justice. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today's ceremony is part of a nationwide initiative with simultaneous opening ceremonies taking place at courts across the country. The main event is being held in Bulawayo, and this marks a significant milestone as it is the first time the main event has been held outside Harare. This deliberate move underscores the judiciary's commitment to enhancing access to justice, aligning with the constitutional requirement that governs the national development strategy one, to centralize public services. Similar proceedings are also taking place at the Constitutional Court of Harare and the different seats of the High Court in Masulo and Chimoyi. It is our established norm that every year we select an annual theme that serves as a guiding focus for the judicial operations. The and initiatives in the outcome. This theme serves as the roadmap for the courts and the commission, guiding its operations throughout the year. And as the year progresses, the comprehensive review is carried out to see the performance and progress in implementing the chosen theme. In 2024, the guiding theme was called the role of the judiciary in entrenching constitutionalism in this court. The theme was aimed at promoting constitutional compliance within the justice sector. It emphasized the state's obligation to uphold the fundamental duties and obligations outlined in our Constitution. Additionally, the theme positioned the judiciary as a key player in commemorating the 10-year anniversary of the landmark Constitution, which was promulgated in 2013. This year's judiciary theme aligns perfectly with the Commission's goal of providing a people-centered justice. This approach prioritizes the needs, values, and aspirations of the community, ensuring that justice is served in a way that truly resonates with the people. Built on this foundation, the theme for this year is open court, building public confidence in the judiciary through multi-stakeholder participation in this court. By emphasizing the importance of multi-stakeholder participation, the judiciary acknowledges that building public confidence in the judiciary is a collective responsibility. It requires the active engagement of not just the judiciary itself, but also the government, civil society, the media, both fourth and fifth estates, as well as the general public. The theme acknowledges the importance of Section 162 of the Constitution, which provides that judicial authority derives from the people of Zimbabwe, underscoring the people's role